Hello investors, welcome to SMIFS Limited YouTube channel. We hope your portfolio is performing well. Today we will try to understand the price action strategy and its uses in the simplest way. Hope everyone will enjoy this video. Price action is a very popular term in the trading world. Price action strategy is a trading approach used in financial markets, such as stocks, forex, and commodities, where traders make trading decisions primarily based on the movement of price on a chart and the patterns it forms. This strategy disregards the use of traditional technical indicators, such as moving averages or oscillators, and instead focuses on analyzing the raw price data itself. The core principle of price action trading is that all necessary information for making trading decisions is reflected in the price itself and how it behaves over time. Price action traders study patterns, trends, support and resistance levels, candlestick formations, and other visual cues to anticipate future price movements. Some key components and concepts within the price action strategy include candlestick patterns, support and resistance levels, trends, price patterns, engulfing patterns, pin bars, inside and outside bars, and confluence. Price action strategies require a deep understanding of market dynamics, pattern recognition, and the ability to interpret price movements in real time. Traders who use this approach often rely on a combination of technical analysis and market psychology to make their trading decisions. It's important to note that while price action trading can be effective, it also requires practice, discipline, and risk management to be successful. Hope you enjoy the video. Open your free demat and trading account with SMIFS Limited. You can call or WhatsApp at 9830121215. For more updates, please follow social media handles and join our Telegram channel. Link is given in the description box. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Happy trading, happy investing. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.